This online course has been designed in such a way to help you turn your knowledge into a product. Our vision for each student enrolling for the JM Designer course is for you to gain all the skills you need to begin designing and constructing your very own designer clothes. In this course, you will learn 35 modules around pattern making, garment construction, color theory, and design elements and principles. We know how challenging it can be to run your own business, and so we have designed practical personal development modules for you so you can get all the support you need to become successful. Your course is packed with practical content which will help you learn how to make different designer clothes, right from a basic skirt to a lehenga and even a salwar pant. It will position you well to even start a small business right from the comfort of your home. Your course also comes with a free entrepreneurship toolkit to get you started on your business. What makes this course extra special is that it's available at a 70% discount when compared to our offline program. So let's get started.